These are telescopic table legs. It has rubber grip that can increase force of friction. Flip lock is easy to use. It can extend smoothly. Beautiful surface, finish, anodized black. This side has added M10 thread, which can connect with your table. This rod has a groove to keep it from spinning. This is a demonstration of supporting weight. The flip lock style table legs can reach a supporting force of about 25 kgs. We can offer customized service for attached part, length, segment, color, logo, spring button, packing, etc. Contact us to get free sample. www.xmdkalu.com. Winnie at xmdkalu.com.